Hi, my name is Laurel. I'm founder of Laurel's Originals, and I'm going to talk to you about how to install and take care of your hand-painted canvas rug. Your canvas rug will come rolled on a plastic tube. Now, it's very important that you keep this plastic tube because if you need to move or store your canvas rug, you can roll it back up on this tube. A canvas rug cannot be folded, it can't be crushed, you can't lay it over a banister or on a clothesline. It needs to lay flat on a hard surface floor like a wood floor, linoleum, ceramic, and if you need to move it, then you need to roll it up on your tube. Now, we do like to fasten this canvas rug onto the floor so that it doesn't slide around. And so what I use for that is called a putty tack. And this is a putty tack. There are different brands. You can get them anywhere and they work all the same. And now I'm going to show you how you can use this putty tack to fasten your rug to the floor. So your putty tack, it might come divided or it comes in a long strip, and you just pull off a little bit and you make a little round ball. Okay, and it's like the size of a pea or a bean, and now you're going to put it on the edge of the rug. So you want to put this putty tack just on the inside of the rug, because when you lay it flat, you don't want it to press out and, you know, come out the side of the hem. And I'm going to put them about every 5 inches. And I'm going to fasten it to the floor. And this prevents the rug from slipping around. Okay? It also prevents the corner from getting kicked and scuffed, and it protects the edges. Now, it's very important before you put your rug on the floor that it's very clean, that you have cleaned your floor very well, because any little stone or something that's left on the floor can eventually work its way up through the varnish and it could crack the varnish, okay? And if you do need to clean your rug, you can just lift up the edge, you clean along the edge, and then you can fasten it down. No dirt is going to get underneath the rug, but if you feel like you need to clean around the edge, then you can clean it that way. Now we're going to go into the house and I'll show you how to take care of it. All right, here I am with a hand-painted canvas rug in the living room. And once your rug is laid down, I have part of my furniture is on top of the rug. And I also have this heavy coffee table. And I can slide this coffee table back and forth on top of the rug because I have a felt pad on the legs of the coffee table. So if you have a canvas rug under your dining table or in your living room or your office or anywhere where you will have furniture sliding around, you need to put some sort of padding on the furniture. I always say treat your hand-painted canvas rug as if it was a wood floor. Varnished wood floors we protect them from getting scratched with protection on the furniture. So once your rug is down, you can vacuum it. You can just sweep it with your broom, okay, to clean it off, and then you can use your mop. If you're in the kitchen, you can use a disinfectant, and you can just use a mild soap and water, and it mops really clean. Nothing's really going to stick to it. You can. If red wine spills on it, you have muddy dog paws running in and out, children, food, everything just lifts right off of it. So it's really easy to take care of. And it'll last you and give you a lot of pleasure for many, many years. Thank you.